Hi guys, today we are filming the last empties for 2023 and I have some numbers with the total amount for these empties and it is insane. So if you're curious about that, please keep on watching. So we are gonna start with the empties that I have. It is a smaller bag in here, but I have a bunch of products anyway. So let's start in random order. First, I finished this one. This is the L'Oreal Elseve Purple Mask. I do love from L'Oreal the conditioners, and this mask is practically a conditioner. I can't feel any difference, and it is a purple mask, but I would not call it that. It is a hydrating mask or conditioner. It doesn't make my hair less yellow or less orangey or something like that. It's just a mask. So I will not repurchase it. It's not my favorite product. I just prefer a normal conditioner. Then I finished a Dove shower gel, and I love Dove in general for shower gels, but this one was for sure not my favorite. This is the anti-stress with chamomile and oat milk, and I love chamomile in general. In tea, for example, oh my god, one of my favorite for tea. So this was not a favorite scent or something like that, so I do prefer other shower gels from Dove. Then I finished a dry shampoo. This one is the tropical one from Batiste. I will still continue to purchase Batiste dry shampoos because they are just the best and they are less expensive than others. This is the tropical scent. This is my favorite scent, but I do prefer the overnight one, the other dry shampoo from Batiste. That one is just a bit stronger, but I do buy both of them because this one smells lovely and the other one is just a bit stronger. I have in here one product to declutter, and it is this one. It is the blush from LYS. It is pretty old. I'm not using it. It is in Confident, the shade. It is a nice color and everything, but it's just a harder formula to blend. It's not my favorite formula, and like I said, I know for a fact that I wouldn't enjoy this one in the project pen, and I had it for more than 2.5 years, so it is time for it to go. And I forgot to mention, like always, I'm gonna put the prices of all of these in the description box and the total amount and everything. This is the Syoss volume shampoo. This was pretty nice. I do like Syoss shampoos. Usually I just switch them a bit, the type of shampoos from Syoss, but this is a nice one, so I did enjoy it. I think I have another one, another type of Syoss shampoo in my bedroom right now. I finished a deodorant. This is the Dove Invisible Dry. And then I finished the Balm cream. This is a mini version. It is 50 mils and this is $13. It is a really nice cream. I do enjoy it. It smells nice. It's not my absolute favorite scent. I prefer the sprayer. It is a good scent. I can't say that it is not. I'm just not using body cream that often, so I don't need to splurge on something like this, but it is a good cream overall. Then I finished the Niacinamide from The Ordinary. This is $13 as well. It is a great one. I think I went through 6 or 7 of these. I have one in my bedroom right now. I have another backup. I have a bunch of them. In the next year as well, I want to be better and not purchase any lashes except at the very end of the year, when my favorite brand of lashes, Monova, it is a Romanian based indie brand from an influencer here in Romania. When she will have some discounts, I will purchase some new lashes at the very end of the year, but I don't need something like this. I purchased them because they were the naked lashes, so I was hoping that they will look natural, something like that. I just don't like Ardell lashes. It is what it is. I don't need to purchase them, even though they are affordable. This is $5. Even though they are affordable, I use them once or twice and just throw them away because they look ugly. These look like spider legs. I don't like them. I did count them as the empties because it's just a product that I did use, but no, that's not it. I finished this one. This is a really good product, but do I really need it in my hair care routine? I'm not sure about that, so I will not repurchase it, at least not right now. It is a full-sized product and this one is pretty expensive. It is $36, but it is nice. It gives your hair a lot of body, texture, a bit of volume, because it makes your hair a bit sticky, but not in a bad way, so nothing will stick to your hair or something like that, but it's just creating some body and some volume to your hair. I really enjoy this one. Right now I have other one that I'm using when I'm blow drying my hair, so I will finish that one as well, and then I will see what product I need to purchase. Then I finish this one. This is the Collagen Peptide Serum from the Inkey List. I don't think I need something like this in my routine as well. This is not very expensive. It is $13, but I don't need it. My niacinamide and my hydrating stuff, along with my retinol and exfoliating serum, it is more than enough. I don't need something like this. A product that I really love, this is my favorite cleanser right now. I use this every day in the morning routine. This is the Inkey List Salicylic Acid Cleanser, and I did repurchase this one. I have it again in my collection. This retails for a lot of the Inkey List products really in here. I do really enjoy the brand. This retails for $14. It is a really good cleanser. The only thing with this one is that I can't put it around my eyes because it is a salicylic acid and it will burn a bit, but I'm using it everywhere else and it is incredible. Another product that I am counting on the Empties, but it is kind of decluttering product because I just purchased it. It is the Physicians Formula Eye Booster, the black one. I absolutely love this one. But this one I purchased from a site here in Romania, and usually products from there are pretty good, but this one was old, so I think I got just a bad one. It is what it is. This one I think is my fourth one, and the rest of them were great, so I think I just got a bad one. I will repurchase this one at some point from Beauty Bay, and maybe from there it will be a bit fresher or something like that. I finished this one as well. This is the Moroccanoil treatment. I got this one for free from Sephora at some kit or something. I know that oils are great for every type of hair because you are supposed to put them on your ends. I just don't see a big difference, so I'm just not using them. But if I am getting one for free, sure, I will use it, but I'm not gonna repurchase any of that. I finished another deodorant, so we have two of those. Then I finished a sponge. I finished a sponge. This one is very used and loved. It is the Move sponge. This is my favorite. Then I have a gloss that created a mess in here. It is a gloss from Fenty. This one is the Gloss Bomb Eyes in the Cold Hearted one. I'm keeping it like this because it is very sticky, and I will put it in the tissue again. It is a great lip gloss. I do enjoy lip glosses from Fenty. Then I replaced my Sigma eyeshadow base. It is in Ignite. I had it for a pretty long time, so I decided to purchase another one. This is my favorite. It is great, and this one retails for $17. It's just the best, and it is very nice. I have in here the McGrath mascara. This is the Fetisheyes, and this is a mini. I got it from the kit with the eyeshadow palette, the small one. It was pretty dry at the beginning, so I don't recommend you to purchase the kit. But with mascaras, if they are a bit dry at the beginning, they will perform pretty well, but you will not keep them for very long because they will be very dry very fast. So yeah, this is dry, so it is what it is. I have another lip product in here. It is the Glowish lip balm. I think it is in coconut. I can't see, the packaging is just coming off, and I don't recommend you to purchase this product. It is $24, a lot of money for absolutely nothing. You need to reapply this like every half an hour. It is just not hydrating enough. It is a lip balm, so that is the job that needs to be done by a lip balm, and it's not. And lastly, I have two perfumes, and that's the reason this bag will be pretty expensive as well. This is the Kayali Vanilla Royale. I love this perfume. It is so yummy, sweet, and it's just great. I had the small bottle. I do like it, but I don't think I like it enough to purchase a full size. And this one was a limited edition, so I don't think they are selling this small bottle. I'm not gonna repurchase it. And similarly to that, I have the Burberry Goddess one. It is a new perfume and it is empty as well. This one is $30 and this one is $29, and it is the mini one as well. This is 10 milliliters and I think this one as well. This is 10 as well, yes. This one is just a really good scent as well. It's not that sweet, but it's nice. It's just, again, I don't like it enough to repurchase it. It was nice for for the 10 milliliter bottle. I don't think I will repurchase it. So let me tell you some numbers. This is absolutely insane. So this empty, the last one that we are filming right now, it is $283. So that is that. And then I counted and calculated the total amount for this year in empties and in the project pen, the products that I finished in the project pen. Are you prepared? Because I know that I'm spending a lot of money on makeup and beauty and everything, but to know that I finished this amount of money in products, it's insane. So the total is $2,687. That is insane. Absolutely insane. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.